For alerts pipeline, choose alerts from left navigation bar or from the center of dashboard. The alerts are color-coded for easy tracking. Red for alerts due in the next 7 days. Orange for alerts due in the following 7 days. Yellow for the next 7 days after that. Green for anything beyond those dates. On the right side, you'll find a filter, where each color shows the currency value of events occurring in that specific time frame. You also have control over what you see. Switch between all alerts, pending alerts, or completed alerts. Filter between upcoming alerts from contracts, alerts created against any tasks in your to-do list, or overdue alerts. You can also filter by alert type, whether it's all alerts, alerts synced to your Google Calendar, or a task that was created for any alert from your contract. You can sync your alerts directly with your Google or Outlook calendar by clicking on the calendar icon, keeping you updated across platforms. Once an alert has been taken care of, you can simply tick it off by checking the box. This is the Alerts Management System, designed to help you stay on top of all your upcoming deadlines, contract renewals, and milestones with ease.